Do you believe it? Just by removing 25% of the clothes in your closet, you will dress better, sleep better, and save thousands of dollars each year. It sounds crazy, but that is only one of 10 minimalism challenges I am about to share. In the next few minutes, you will see why a no-buy month can make you happier than constant shopping, why clearing exactly one surface in your bedroom can transform your sleep quality, and most surprisingly, one seemingly small challenge can make you rethink your entire way of living. Minimalism is not about giving up everything. It is about reclaiming your freedom, your time, and your energy. Don't go away, because I believe one of these challenges will make you say, "Why didn't I do this sooner?" Oh, and before we begin, if you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support is the motivation for me to keep sharing even more valuable content. Thank you for being here. Let's start with the first habit. Habit number 1, no-buy month. This challenge calls you to stop all unnecessary shopping for 30 days, keeping only essential spending on food, medicine, fuel, and basic consumables. It may sound tough, but the benefits are clear. You will save a large amount of money, prevent your home from filling with extra stuff, and most importantly, learn how to control your spending habits. Many people discover that they often shop because of boredom or advertising rather than real need. After 1 month of not buying, they find themselves less dependent on getting more and start appreciating what they already have. For those over 60, this challenge is especially useful because it helps lower expenses and free up budget for healthcare, travel, or meaningful experiences. A key tip is to write down exceptions at the beginning to avoid confusion. For example, milk, blood pressure medicine, and gas for the car. When tempted to buy something else, ask yourself, "Can I wait 30 days?" Just that question will cut down many impulsive decisions. This is not only a saving challenge, but also a deep lesson about freedom from material things and how to live fully in the present. Habit number 2, wardrobe reset. How long do you spend each morning choosing clothes? Usually, 80% of the time we wear only 20% of our favorite items. The rest just takes up space and causes clutter. Wardrobe reset calls you to cut at least 25% of the clothes in your closet, keeping only items that fit well, feel comfortable, and match your current style. After downsizing, you will notice an immediate difference. A more spacious closet, faster outfit choices, and the joy of wearing what you truly love instead of being overwhelmed by too many options. For people over 60, the benefits are even greater. Less bending, climbing, or searching through messy piles, while freeing space for more essential items. A practical way to apply this is to divide clothes into 3 groups: worn often, rarely worn, and never used. Keep the first group, think carefully about the second, and bravely let go of the third. You can donate to charity or give them to family. If you still hesitate, try the 30-day box method. Put uncertain items in a box, and if after 1 month you don't miss them, it means you are ready to let them go. After this challenge, your wardrobe will not only be tidy, but also truly reflect who you are and how you live now. Habit number 3, 1 shelf rule. Many homes feel heavy, not because of too many things, but because every small corner is filled with decorations that no longer have meaning. 1 shelf rule calls you to choose exactly 1 shelf or 1 wall to begin with. Carefully observe your living space Identify the spot that feels most cluttered and boldly remove all decorative items. Next, ask yourself, which items truly have meaning for me? Which ones are just there out of habit? Keep the pieces tied to important memories or expressing your personality, and store away or give away the rest. The result shows instantly. The room feels wider and brighter, dusting becomes easier, and you feel freer every time you step in. For those over 60, the benefits are bigger because it reduces cleaning work and maintenance and removes the suffocating feeling of living in a space with too many details. A small tip to stay motivated is to take before and after photos so you can see the difference clearly. Once you succeed in one spot, you will be encouraged to try more areas. One shelf rule is a small challenge that creates a big effect, helping you first experience the power of minimalism. Habit number 4. Clear bedroom surface. A bedroom should be a quiet and relaxing place, but in reality, many people turn their nightstand or dresser into a dumping ground. Clear bedroom surface encourages you to choose one surface in your bedroom and clear it completely. This could be the bedside table, the top of a dresser, or even a desk if it is in your room. Once cleared, you will immediately feel the atmosphere change. The room becomes more open, comfortable, and your sleep becomes deeper because your brain is no longer stimulated by clutter. After emptying, keep at most 2 truly necessary items, like a lamp and a book you are reading. For seniors, the benefits are clear. Fewer items mean less risk of breakage, tripping hazards, and much easier cleaning. A way to maintain this challenge is to make it a nightly habit. Before going to bed, make sure that the surface is still tidy. After just 1 week, your sleeping space will feel like a small retreat, helping you wake up lighter in spirit. This is a simple challenge, but it powerfully improves your daily quality of life. Habit number 5. Toy rotation. If your grandchildren often come over, you know how quickly toys can take up space and create uncontrollable clutter. Instead of keeping all the toys within reach, the toy rotation challenge encourages you to leave out only a small portion and store the rest in boxes, rotating them on a schedule. With fewer toys, children focus better, become more creative, and appreciate what they already have, instead of always asking for more. Clean up after playtime is also much easier, saving grandparents from exhausting tidying. The method is simple. Keep about 30 to 40% of the toys out, divide the rest into boxes, and store them in a high place or storage area. After 2 to 3 weeks, swap one box for another. Children will feel like they have new toys, while you don't have to buy more. For older adults, this approach reduces stress before the grandchildren visit and keeps the home safer and more spacious. This is not only a way to manage clutter, but also a way to teach children about simplicity, creativity, and contentment. Habit number 6. Kitchen box test. Kitchens are easily overloaded with pots, pans, utensils, and gadgets, while we usually use only a few favorites. Kitchen box test encourages you to choose one box of rarely used kitchen tools, seal it, and store it away for 1 to 2 months. During that time, if you never need to open it, it means those items are unnecessary. After the challenge, you can confidently donate or give them away to free up space. The benefits are immediate: tidier drawers, clearer counters, and easier, more enjoyable cooking. For seniors, This also reduces the risk of reaching into crowded drawers or lifting heavy items. A helpful tip is to label the box with the start date to track time. If the box remains unopened by the deadline, you have clear proof that those items are not needed. This challenge is both simple and effective, giving you a cleaner, healthier, and friendlier kitchen. Habit number 7. 2-box donation. One of the fastest ways to feel the relief of minimalism is to see items leave your house immediately. 2-box donation encourages you to choose 2 boxes of things you no longer use, pack them, and donate them to a charity or thrift store. This frees up living space and brings joy knowing your old items can help someone else. For those over 60, this challenge is especially suitable because it requires little effort but produces clear results. The method is simple. Take 2 medium-sized boxes, walk around your home, and pick items you haven't used for at least 1 year. Don't overthink. Apply the quick rule. Not used, not loved, not needed. Once full, set a goal to remove the boxes from your home within 48 hours to avoid second thoughts. After completing, you will feel a powerful sense of release and also awaken gratitude, knowing you are helping your community. Habit number 8. 1 week clean kitchen. The kitchen has a strong impact on daily mood. The 1 week clean kitchen challenge asks you to commit a few minutes at the end of each day to clean your kitchen for 7 days straight. This includes washing dishes, wiping counters, and putting everything back in place. It sounds simple, but it works wonders. The next morning when you step into a clean kitchen, you'll feel happier and start your day more positively. Many people find that a tidy kitchen also encourages healthier eating, improving overall health. For seniors, this challenge offers double benefits: avoiding tripping hazards from clutter and reducing the stress of large cleaning sessions. To maintain, set a nightly reminder and treat kitchen cleaning as a daily closing ritual. After 1 week, you will build a new habit and may want to extend it longer. A clean kitchen every morning is a mental boost that makes life lighter and safer. Habit number 9. Credit card review. One minimalism challenge few think of, but with deep impact, is reviewing your credit card statement in detail. Instead of just glancing at the final number, the Credit Card Review Challenge asks you to read each line of spending, take notes, and ask, do I really remember buying this? Was it truly necessary? If I hadn't bought it, would my life be different? This practice helps identify unconscious spending, such as online shopping driven by ads, unused membership fees, or small purchases that add up to large sums. For those over 60, careful review also prevents hidden charges or auto-renewing subscriptions you may have forgotten. Try writing down 3 expenses you find unworthy and commit to cutting them next month. After a few rounds, you will develop a sharper spending mindset, reducing impulse or habitual expenses. More importantly, this step connects minimalism in possessions with minimalism in finances, creating greater freedom and peace of mind. Habit number 10. Digital curfew. In today's tech age, staring at phone or TV screens late into the night has become common but harms sleep, health, and relationships. Digital curfew encourages you to set a strict cutoff time, such as 8 or 9 o'clock in the evening. Then turn off all electronic devices. Instead of scrolling online, use the time to read, journal, talk with loved ones, or simply relax quietly. Just 1 week can improve sleep quality, sharpen your mind in the morning, and strengthen family bonds with more face-to-face conversation. For seniors, this habit also eases eye strain, reduces chronic insomnia risk, and brings balance at the end of the day. A tip to maintain is to set an alarm for screen-off time and put your phone on silent, out of reach. This simple step has big results, letting you take back control of your evenings instead of letting devices control you. You have just discovered 10 minimalism challenges that can transform your life in simple yet powerful ways. Choose one challenge to start today, whether it's cutting clothes, clearing a shelf, or turning off screens earlier. Every small step brings you closer to freedom and peace. Share which challenge you choose in the comments so we can motivate each other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to join us on the journey toward a simpler, more meaningful, and happier life.